Hi and welcome to this video. Today I would like to show you how I sketch a car or design a car. So first of all, I start to position the sketch of the car on the sheet of paper. I use A4 size and I try to place the car in the center of the A4 sheet. Then I start to position wheels and a rough outer shape of the car, and also knock in some basic details like graphics, like the front grille and where the windows should be, and some intakes. It's not so important right now to position the wheels like 100%, but it's good to have them in place where you roughly think they should be. From proportion side, it will be a super compact car like Fiat 500 or maybe even a small Twingo or something like that. It's good to have an idea what kind of type of car you want to sketch. So then I did the spokes, window graphic, and as well the section line on the body side. I start really soft with the soft touch, and then I do parts of the car more detailed and more darker. So for example, if you want to show the front corner of the car, you obviously put more pressure on your pencil, and in that case you kind of show the front corner, which is also closer to your eye and would make sense to put more darker color into it. Then I try to divide graphic side and body side as well with a bit more darker shading, and also finalizing a bit of the showing how the wheels look like and the spokes, especially the front one, because the front one is more closer to you, and this is like the main focus what you want to show in the sketch. Then I'm doing the bodywork, the shading underneath the car and between the spokes. I try to do it more darker, try to indicate as well rough interior. It makes the car a bit more believable. Don't forget to sharpen your pencil. It helps you to make more detailed lines on the car. And it's in general a good idea to work like not constantly on one corner of a car. So try to have a view on different areas of the car. Again, I'm finalizing more and more the front area and the front wheel of the car. A bit more detail on the grille, how the graphics work, how the star sits inside this grille. A bit more darker, a bit more shading to show more 3D. The floating A-pillar, a bit more darker on the lights. And also the shadow underneath the car. I think it's quite important to show it's not floating object. And now finalizing the details, main body line, grille, and a bit more shading underneath the car. And a little box kind of background, the small star. So yeah, this is it. Hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments what should I sketch next or what you like. Thank you for watching.